Oftentimes, students in middle school, high school, they miss out on what makes them special because they want people to like them. In school, sometimes we feel like we don't have the permission to talk about what we're going through because everybody else looks like they're okay. So maybe I need to act like I'm okay. We almost have to put on this mask because we don't want everybody knowing what we're going through. We want people to think we're okay. That's when students start to act out. Students aren't just bad kids. Students are dealing with something, so they lash out. The reason I'm here today is because I went through things too. I was a big baseball player, played baseball my whole life. My dad played baseball, my grandfather played baseball. I felt pressure to succeed because not only did I want to make them proud, I feel like that was my only value to the world. I played second base. Second base, literally my only job is to field ground balls, the ball will come to me, and I throw it to first base. It was the easy throw, right? But because I had so much anxiety, so much fear of failure, I couldn't throw the ball to first base. For some reason, when this ball would get right here, I'm like, oh my goodness, I can't mess up. And I've made this throw my entire life. It's like it's nothing. But because I had so much anxiety, I could no longer do the simple thing anymore. I was embarrassed. All my teammates were like, what's wrong with him? Nobody wanted to play catch with me when it was time for practice. But there was one person that came and played catch with me every single day. And every day I would throw the ball and I couldn't really have any control with it, and he would run and get the ball. He wouldn't be negative to me. He wouldn't frown at me. And all of a sudden I got it back. I could throw the baseball again, but it wouldn't have been possible without somebody just doing something simple for me. And so I was bold enough to be myself, and that set me up. I ended up going to the doctor to get my eyes checked out. The doctor wanted me to go to another doctor to get my eyes checked out. And so this moment happened where this guy called us into a room, and in my head I'm like, he's about to tell me something I don't want to hear. And he's shaking, he doesn't know what to say, and all he can say is, Jamar, you have cancer. And I say, why me? I thought I figured out what I'm meant to do in this life. I'm really trying my hardest. Why me? In that moment, I realized every second is so valuable. So I realized I had to prioritize every single moment. I had to be happy in whatever I chose to do in my life. The reality is, not all of you are meant to be liked by everybody. So you need to understand when you're walking into school, walk comfortably in your skin. The one person you really want to like you is yourself. If you don't like you, even if everybody likes this costume you're wearing, but you don't like you, it doesn't matter. When you want to find that group of people that you fit in with, you want to find that group of people that like you for who you are, you know the only way they can find you? If you start being who you truly are. If you start wearing that costume to fit in, the people that are meant to like you will never meet you because they don't know who you truly are. I want to let y'all know that all of you can be the difference, and all of you can change your school culture through the little things.